Hey everyone, I'm still here. Just so you know, I just want to put it up for vote. Do you want one of those fancy intros that plays music and does all kinds of silly stuff before you come in, or you just want me to come on in and start saying about it? There's Lily. Hi, Lily. Lily, say hi. There's Lily. Oh, look at Lily. It's my beautiful little boxer. Anyway, I got another video for y'all and some talk about what may happen tomorrow. I may get an interview with a subject matter expert on what we're going to talk about tonight. So stay tuned and welcome back. I'm sorry I've been gone so long, but you'll understand. See you in a minute. Bye. And welcome back. Here we are at what has been a monumentous occasion today. Hi, Lily. Say hi. Say hello. Yeah, there's my Lily. Okay. Back to what we're talking about. A monumental day in the model studio today. We actually got the boom attached to the pistons, and I'm going to show you over here on the instructions what looks so simple. Let me get something to point with. These pins here swivel back and forth. So is that one. From where we put them in earlier. Let's turn back to show you over here. We put those in, and they went together somewhere way back. Anyway, those guys go into those ends here, and these little pins can go back and forth. Well, earlier in the bottom of the hull, where am I at? Oh, right here. These guys were attached, and they swivel back and forth. So you got swivelly, 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 and they want you to connect the dots. This little male thing into this female thing here. Yeah, so it's dual copulation, I guess. Oh, demonetized. But can you imagine? And not having the two hulls glued together at all yet. Just the minimal. Like that. Now they're together, they're not glued. I've taped them because God forbid those pins come out. And I don't really know how to show them to you because they're, let me turn the flashlight on. They're inside. Let me see. Nope. Well, you get a piece of it there. See that cylinder? Pin into it. And over here, there's a cylinder with a pin into it. I know you can't see that. But they run down from right here at the top where the joint is. I lost my pointer. Where the pointer, this is the joint and the hinge. And there's pins that are going to go in those holes. I'll turn around here and show you. Well, see the hole there? Of course you do. That's where the pins are going to go in. And secure it. Now, when I was testing these pins, which you can't see up in there now, they, one of them broke off. Right here. It was that one. It broke up about half of it off. So now I'm wondering when I deploy this boom, is it going to pull that pin out of that thing completely? And then I won't have any hinge there at all other than the pins going through the hinge here, which I think is okay. I think just the hinge is all I need. And down here is all superfluous. if that's a word. Anyway, so with half a pin here and a full pin here, we'll see what happens when I glue these halves together over here, as you can see. All along these seams here, I've got to glue those halves together and clamp them so they're tight. See how there's a gap there and it goes away when I squeeze? Well, I got to have it squeezed everywhere when I glue it. And apparently the tape I've got on it right now is not doing it. But at least it's keeping it from coming apart. And the other fun thing is I've got these two lines coming out the front. This one is supposed to, the fat one, is supposed to terminate right here at the front with a hook on the front like it shows here. See the little hook? There's two plastic parts. That plastic part's got to be glued on the end of the rope, and then the rope's got to be glued, that plastic part's got to be glued to that plastic part. And they're supposed to be just coming out this plate that's back here in the tub here, waiting. And how far out it's supposed to hang, I don't know. But I'm going to ask Major Morrie tomorrow. Then the other little string comes out the center hatch here, as you can see. And it goes, God knows where. And when you flip over the instructions, it goes up to the pulleys and the bundles and all that shit in the boom here. So the pulleys back there. Let me get some light. Yeah. So that's where that's going. But anyway, I've got it all taped down. And you see these tiny little telephone pole handles that are around the side? I've almost lost 3 of them. I bent them back and glued them back with some ultra thin here. And hopefully I'm not going to lose them. Wish me luck. And you can see the sprue marks there where I took it off the sprue. Right there. Yep, you can see that. And it'll be painted over when I get the pins in these holes. God, this thing won't focus. There's pins that go in these holes to hold the boom on before I can go any further. And, oh, there's my flashlight. And here's where the cables for the front of the boom here come in. Oh, man. And I'm going to stop touching. But it came out really good. It just needs glued down, top to bottom. And like this step, I call it 5A. This is all step 5. Makes it look so easy, except they've already got the tracks and the wheels on, which obviously I don't because I got a weather all up in there. And I can't do that if the wheels and the tracks are in the way. So, and then the front blade's supposed to go on here, but I don't know if I'm going to do that yet. So, you know, I just keep looking ahead in the instructions. What's next? Do I need to do this first? Do this first? There's so many parts that got to go on. You can see all the parts here on these sprues. There's sprues here. There's sprues over here. And sprues up here. We're still got a shitload of parts to go on this thing. And looking at this, you can see there's a bent. Okay, we're going to fix something live on the screen here. You never see me do this. I'm going to fix that little... Get back up there. I apologize for the orientation changing during that thing. I obviously still don't know what I'm doing. So, hang with me. I'm still learning this thing. And I'll see you next time. Maybe tomorrow night with an interview from Major Morrie from the U.S. Army, who happened to be in command of 2 of these, among other things. We're going to find out about tomorrow night. So stay tuned. Have a live interview with Major Morrie. See you next time. Bye.